Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to fix the A driver service for this device has been disabled error. An alternate driver may be providing this functionality. Code 32. To fix this error, right click on the Start menu, click on Device Manager. After Device Manager opens, right click on the driver that is causing the problem on your computer. It will usually be marked in yellow. Click on Properties. Click on the Details tab. Remember the name under value or keep the window open. Now click on the Start menu, type regedit. After appearing the Registry Editor, click on it. Click on Yes. Now double click on HKey local machine. Click on System, Current Control Set, Services. Now find a folder which is related to this name. On the right side, double click on the Start. If it is 4 and set the value to 3 or 2, click on OK. Now close all window and restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a like and take care.